Hey guys, how are you all doing? So I'm currently in Stockholm, as you can see, with Swedish House Mafia and my friend Chris. It was their third gig back together. Absolutely awesome experience. Only problem was, in 3 hours time from this gig, I had to catch a flight to Google I/O 219. This is my story. I think we're ready to go. Okay, so I think this right here is the bus that's taking us to Google's headquarters. There's like a WhatsApp group chat that I've joined with all of the influencers that are here. But in this group chat, they've essentially said that I need to go downstairs to the reception of my suite and pick up my badge that's gonna get me into the Google HQ. Oh yeah, and by the way, please ignore the McDonald's. We got here super late last night and I just needed food. Uber Eats was my best friend. Cheers. Okay, so this is absolutely dope. And by the way, dope is my new word. Please don't tell me off for using it because I've just been using it for like the last 3 weeks of my life and I can't quite escape it. This is my Google bag. It has something really, really cool in it. Well, I think it's quite cool anyway. It's sort of like a little... I've actually just lost it. That's mental. Okay, so this is my actual pass to get into Google's HQ, which obviously, by the way, we're having a tour of today. So that is so cool. I'll tell you what, younger Alex will be so proud of older Alex for working with Google. How you doing, man? Alex. Yes, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Oh no, okay, this is the real thing I wanted to show you guys. There, look, it says my name and then that hopefully looks like me a little bit, maybe not. So one thing I absolutely love about coming to events like these is just obviously hanging around with other awesome creators because, you know, we're sort of paving the way through all of this social media stuff and it's nice to see what other people have to say and what they do. Because at the end of the day, I'm sat at the back of a bus holding a huge camera and just talking to it and it's just like a little bit weird. I've been doing it for 2 years of my life every day though, so I suppose I am used to it. I'm so excited for today. So excited. So here we go, welcome to Google HQ, and I can see myself. Saf, can you see yourself? I can see myself. We can see ourselves. There we are.
Where are you?
I'm there. I'm right there, bro.
Yeah, come on.
How much does it sort of look like me, or nothing at all? I think it looks like me a little bit. Come on. So right there, you've got MKBHD. I'll try and point out a couple of other people for you guys. Saf is over there somewhere. Guys, I know whenever I say things like this, you're all just like, Alex, just be quiet, shut up. But I do want to say it. I really appreciate all of this. I wouldn't be here without you guys, so I tried to bring you along for all of this with obviously the camera and stuff. I really hope this translates as to how happy I am. This is awesome, and thanks to you guys, we can do really cool things like this. Today's going to be awesome. There's no time for female, we have to believe, so believe it, baby, so high. So one thing that is quite funny is that in my picture, rightly so actually, because it's what I usually do. I've usually got my hair up and to the side, but I just didn't do my hair today. But then they've just given me this hat with this cool little propeller on it. So I'm just going to rock this for the rest of the day, if that's okay with you guys. So as this tour sort of commences, I'm going to try and take short little breaks and tell you guys about what I'm seeing here at Google in California. So essentially, this is fake grass right here and the seats outside. So this is for, well, the people that work here. If you work better outside, sitting on fake grass or just sitting here, then you can just come and work here. And you can also wear what you want around Google. She literally just said, if you want to wear a wizard costume to work, wear a wizard costume. the main deal with all of this is these flowers actually have cameras in them that look for your face, and when they detect your facial expression, they then change colour and actually move. So let's give this a go. I'm gonna smile.
Release the brainstorm to make your motherfucking brain warm. A strange form, something kind of lyrical. Biggie the bastard, so that's kind of spiritual. Well, in God we...
Dinosaur. It's just a dinosaur. It's a normal, right? So this, as you guys can see, is a volleyball court. Now this is one of the many activities they have here at Google for the staff. They also have a mountain bike trail, a bowling alley, and there's also like food within 100 meters of wherever you are. Okay, they also have an arcade apparently as well. An arcade? An arcade? You're meant to be working. No, apparently people do work really, really hard here, and that is why they allow these cool things.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
So this right here is the slide that you can go down.
In action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with.
Okay, so welcome to what is known as the Android Garden. Yep. So they have all sorts of huge types of food right here. There's an android holding a marshmallow. There's some sort of mental cupcake thing here. So one of the most expensive coffee grinders is right there. This thing costs $4,000, and you want to know the best thing about it? Well, it goes all the way up to 11. So the best part about all of this is all of the places so far that I've talked to you guys about and shown you, any Google employee at any time can go there and just work. So if I worked at Google, this is where I'd be, because I absolutely love coffee. So it's just a coffee shop where pretty much it's all free, and you choose whatever coffee blend you want. They have a £4,000 coffee grinder, and you can just work with your £4,000 grinded coffee. Thought I'd seen it all.
If you want smaller one.
Yeah, so we can have both of the channels.
Yeah.
That's so dope, man. Okay, so I have just been given something extremely important that I've got to hide away in my pocket in the public today, right now. But by the time you guys are seeing this, the embargo will have lifted. I've got the brand new Google Pixel 3a. It's super cool. Yes. Don't tell anybody though. Okay. Don't. Shh. I have a secret in my pocket. Okay, so about to head into security for this event. Not really sure so far what to expect, but this is going to be super, super fun. So, loads of awesome creators here. People I haven't seen in literally years. So cool. So, successfully made it into what's called the press lounge. There's loads of other influencers here, people from TV and different bits and bobs like that. Everywhere you look, there's essentially some sort of camera, whether it's a DSLR or a big sort of TV grade type thing. This is super, super cool. I'm not allowed to get the phone out of my pocket, even though I'm in the press lounge, because it hasn't been released yet. So if I get this thing out of my pocket, I'm essentially breaking the NDA, which is a really, really bad move, and I don't think Google would be very friendly with me if I did that.
They're out of breakfast.
No, they're not, are they? We've got this. We're about to go into the press thing. It's apparently filling up, so we're going to make our way down there right now. This is super, super exciting. Wow! Okay, guys, so it is my absolute pleasure to bring you right here at Google I/O 2019. Let me turn this camera around and show you guys what the hell I'm seeing right now.
Right music for me. extremely interested in exploring Magnavision's extraordinary capabilities. May we start? Thank you.
Okay, so the keynote is starting now.
The only thing we can be sure of about the future is that it will be absolutely fantastic.
We have an opportunity to create.
They were talking down there about devices and such, and there was lots more that was revealed other than this Pixel 3a, but obviously this is the big selling point of the keynote, a brand new device from Google. But there we go, it's all over. This is going to be fun.
I don't like it. I don't know. I don't know how to do it.
It's so stupid.
Say hello, I'm MarzBar, and welcome to my interactive tour of your body.
I was thinking more about along the lines of I think it's just probably going to be easier if I was just like... Okay, so I'll start from sort of the beginning. The reason I got the hat on is because I was in California with Google. The tour of Google's headquarters was absolutely amazing. One of the best days of my life, like hands down. The stuff that they have going on there is just insane. It's like another planet. Literally as soon as I got back from the airport, I didn't drive home. I drove straight to the doctor's because I had this thing on my back which was causing me quite a lot of pain, like it was...
So they've given me this sheet to look through. This is about my general anaesthetic, so I'm going to go under anaesthetic, so that means they actually have to put a needle in me and give me drugs that are going to make me sleep, essentially. Is general anaesthetic safe? Well, I hope it is. Wish me luck.
And now I have a hole in my back that's like 15 mil deep, so it's huge. And for the last week I haven't really been able to move very much. It's been a little bit horrible, but I'm okay. But for now, I need to start preparing all of this wood in the garden and getting everything ready for Luke to come on Saturday so I can pick up this camera, start doing some vlogs, and yeah, hopefully entertain you guys from then on out. But for now, my name's been Alex, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. In, out, all about.
Do the coconut.
That's what it's all about.